In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome download failed network error. If you've ever been frustrated by this issue, you're certainly not alone. It's a common problem, but don't worry, it's relatively easy to fix. Let's dive into the details so you can get back to browsing without interruption. First, we're going to start by opening Google Chrome. Once you have Chrome open, look to the upper right corner of your browser. There you'll see the three-dot menu, also known as the Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu provides a range of options for customizing your browsing experience, but for our purpose today, you'll want to select Settings from the list. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll navigate to Privacy and Security. This is a critical section because it helps you manage who has access to your data and what information your browser stores. Under Privacy and Security, you will find an option called Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. In this section, you are given options to delete different types of data from your browser. What you want to do here is ensure that cached images and files is selected. Clearing your cache typically helps because these files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, leading to the download failed network error. Make sure that this box is checked. You don't need to clear everything unless you're comfortable with losing other saved information like cookies or browsing history. When you're ready and the correct items are selected, go ahead and click on Clear Data. Now I want to emphasize that clearing your cache won't affect your personal files or passwords stored in Chrome. It's simply removing temporary files that may be causing issues. Once you've successfully cleared the data, the next step is simple: restart Chrome. This helps ensure that any changes you've made take effect properly. To do this, just close the browser entirely and then reopen it. After restarting Chrome, try downloading again. Hopefully, this simple process of clearing your cache resolved the problem. If you still encounter the download failed network error, it might be worth checking your internet connection or considering updating your Chrome to the latest version, as newer updates often resolve persistent issues. Thank you for following along today. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video or subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. We're always here to help make your tech experience a little less frustrating and a lot more productive. Happy browsing!